Studying abroad is an exciting opportunity, but it requires careful planning and extensive documentation. In this video, we will guide you through the process of preparing financial documents and proof of funds for your study abroad journey. Before we delve into financial documents, let's quickly recap the initial steps of the application process, such as collecting transcripts, scorecards, and writing admission essay or statement of purpose. Once you have received an admission offer, a new set of paperwork begins, which includes financial documents for your student visa application. Let's start by understanding the concept of proof of funds. Proof of funds or financial capacity is a requirement for most student visa applications. It demonstrates that you have financial means to cover your tuition fees, living expense, or other costs while studying abroad. For example, for studying in Canada, you need to show 10,000 Canadian dollars every year, whereas for studying in the United Kingdom, 1,023 pounds per month should be shown. So what are the different types of documents you will need to provide as proof of funds? Let's explore some common types of financial documents accepted by universities and visa authorities. First is your bank account statements. You need to submit yours or your sponsor's bank account statements for a specific period. An original copy of the bank statement is accepted and should clearly indicate the required tenure, usually 6 months. Loan approval or disbursement letter needs to be shown. This letter indicates that you have obtained a loan for your education and should clearly indicate the loan amount and disbursement details. Coming to why it is important to show or carry an affidavit of sponsorship or support. This document validates financial support from a sponsor. It is notarized on stamp paper and outlines the sponsor's commitment to cover your fees and living expenses. Another important document is bank letters. These letters confirm the nature of the accounts held by the sponsor or student, along with the account balance, and should be stamped. Apart from this, some universities, especially in the USA, require a loan capability certificate to confirm your loan eligibility. It should state your name, loan amount, and willingness of the bank to provide the loan. For certain countries, a certified CA document may be needed to detail your assets and liabilities. This includes current and fixed assets such as fixed deposits, properties, and bank balances. If your loan is secured against property, you may need to provide a comprehensive property valuation report, especially for New Zealand and Australia. The information typically includes property pictures, specifications, and ownership proof. Some countries accept funds from your or your parents' provident fund account, which is also known as GPF or EPF statement. The statement should clearly indicate the available funds and withdrawal limits. Point to note that all your financial documents should be on the official letterhead and stamped. Apart from this, keep in mind the specific requirements for financial documents may vary between countries and universities. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the financial requirements for your chosen destination before. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Shiksha Study Abroad channel for more such updates.